Safari has features that can expose your browsing data and trackers if you're not aware of them. There are a few settings most people never check, and today I'll show you the 4 most important ones to turn on. Hide your IP address. First one, your IP address. Every website you visit can see it, and it reveals your rough location and internet provider. Safari has a built-in privacy feature that works similar to a VPN. It's called Hide IP Address. Let me show you how. Go to Settings, tap Apps, scroll down and tap Safari. Tap Hide IP Address, and select from Trackers. This masks your IP address so websites can't see your real location or build a profile on you. It works similar to a VPN, it's built into your iPhone, and it's completely free. Lock private tabs with Face ID. Next, private tabs. Let me show you how to lock your private tabs. Go to Settings, tap Apps, scroll down and tap Safari. Scroll down and turn on Require Face ID to unlock private browsing. Now, even if your phone is unlocked, your private tabs stay blurred and locked until Face ID scans you. Even if they have your phone unlocked, they're not getting in. Prevent cross-site tracking. Next, prevent cross-site tracking. This one is huge, and Apple barely talks about it. It's called Prevent Cross-Site Tracking. Let me show you how to turn it on. Go to Settings, tap Apps, scroll down and tap Safari. Find Prevent Cross-Site Tracking and make sure it's turned on. This stops advertisers from following you from one website to another. If you want to go extreme, you can also turn on Block All Cookies, but just know some websites might not work properly. Last one, delete website data, smart way. Digital cleanup. Safari stores website data that tracks behavior and eats up storage. Go to Settings, tap Apps, scroll down and tap Safari. Scroll down and tap Advanced. Then tap Website Data. You can see exactly which sites are storing data on your phone. Instead of tapping Remove All, swipe left on individual sites and delete them one by one. Your iPhone is powerful, but only if you know where the switches are. Turn these on, and you're not invisible. You're just a lot harder to track. Follow for more iPhone secrets you'll actually use.